All right, I don't know if you can hear it right now. We have some music playing in the background. We are in East Harlem, in our community, the Reads community, in front of PS 38, where we're actually having our community event. We're so excited. It is a blast. We're having fun, engaging with families. Great turnout. Just want to say thank you to Principal Barton for opening her doors for this community event, the whole school team. We also want to say thank you to all of the Reads partners. Link was here, Reading Partners, Read Alliance, NYPL, giving out books, sharing a love for literacy. We also had a magician, Mr. Foggle, also do a great showcase for our families. And Reads Rabbit made an appearance, as usual. So we're looking forward to having him other events as well. I just want to say a big, huge thanks to our funders, Hickerson Foundation and Carmel Hill, for making this all possible. We couldn't do it without their generous commitment to this initiative. So what's next? Well, we're gonna have a back to school event at a community near you. So stay tuned, all are welcome. So hope to see you there.